Lamdam Asigi Meeyam Ngasisu Manipur Apunba Shaktam Ngaknaba Lepli HAINA KEISHAMTHONG Asigi MLA SAPAM NISHIKANT COCOMI Manipur KANBA KHONGCHAT PHONGDOKKHRE Ngasayu Pung Tara Rom Taba Dwaida Infalgi Thau Ground Dagi Lamthakiba Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity COCOMI Manipur KANBA KHONGCHAT Aduda KEISHAMTHONG Assembly Constituency MLA SAPAM NISHIKANT Amasung Wangkhai Assembly Constituency MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar Susaruk Yaki Meeyam adugi marakta tongan ba yelho furuk ki miyoi kya ga loinena class 10 gi ngakpi kini class 9 gi mathakta leiba mahiroi sing masak naiba miyoi kya film star amadi tongan ba lekai gi maira pai bi club amadi organization kaya gi miyoi kya na saruk yakhi khongchat aduda manipur gi yelho mi muthatna ba india gi thausil khudakta lekpadabani india gi kanglup furup naiba thawong yaningde narco terrorism maru phuktatlasi mapandagi landarak liba narco terroristing Takthokhigadabani NRC Chatnanaba Thaurang Thuna Paikhatlu Lan Loidriba Phawba Combing Operation Tawba Yaroi Haiba Yauna Tongan slogan sing Lauki Khongchat aduga mari lenina KEISHAMTHONG Assembly Constituency gi MLA Nishikanta Sapam na hai Lamdam Asigi Meeyam Ngasisu Manipur gi Apunba Shaktam Ngaknaba Lepli Khongjang ngasida Meeyam gi Apunba Shaktam adu utpagi tangai phadaba lei Ngasigi khongchat asi mapung fana saugatli haibadu utnabagi damak mahak masa saruk yabani condition amathada manipur gi apunbagi saktam thugai bi yaroi lamdam maste NRC chatna handuna mitop khangdokpagi tangai fadaba leirabasu maduda thabak tawgadori ba miyoi singna thamoi sengna amadi mathau masak khangna thabak tawdrabadi NRC chatnarabasu madugi kanaba phangloi maramaduna lamdam maste NRC mapung fana chatna handuna thabak tawgadori ba singna thamoi sengna lamdam maste gi khalaga thabak tawbagi tangai fadaba lei haina su makna makhata ki
Today we have come here in Manipuri. It's called Manipur KANBA KHONGCHAT. This is to save Manipur. We all of us here gathered here are totally in love with Manipur. We stand here to make sure that Manipur never breaks down. And I believe that Manipur is not just a land, it is a culture, it is a being of togetherness between the hill people and the valley people. We all need to live together, and this whole land, every square inch of it belongs to all of us, and we can never let it break away, come what may. So we are standing here. I have come here to give my full support to the core of my heart that Manipur stays intact forever and ever. Let peace come and let goodness prevail. There is no demand. Manipur cannot break. Simple as that. For that, I think eventually those who have been trying to break Manipur must be put to task, and there must be an NRC, there must be peace. And NRC, when performed, must be performed with utmost sincerity.
Nakalamanam the Khongchat aduda saruk yakiba COCOMI gi coordinator Somarendra Thoksam na hai lamdam master soknari balan asi kanaga soknari banu haibadu mayak singna khangbagi tangai phadaba lei hiramasida mainland India ge tongan ba political leaders singna ngahak ki oiba narrative piduna leiba asina miyam da chauna samamna ba thokhalle Mamang thakta lan asi maitai amasung kuki singi marakta sokna ba lani haina political leaders singna phongdok Lamlabasu, Mamang Sahida, Indian Union Home Minister Amit Shah na Parliament ta phongdokkibagi matung ina, irangasi illegal immigrants singna thokanbani, hai kibalai krabani, adubu lanasi India lengakna thokanba khusemgi lani haibasi Meeyam da mayak singna, khanganbagi tangai fadaba adu lakle, lamdam master logi wangmada narol changsil lakkiba illegal immigrants sing asiga shugi yanaba chathaduna thambana ngasidi Manipur gi Manipur gi Meeyam asida landarak pani haina sumhak na makhatan phongdokhi khongchat aduda saruk yakiba lamdam asigi saknaira bi kiyana su khongchat asigi matang da masa yu oiba tongan ba wafam kya su phongdoknaki
Manipur Legangna Amadi India Legangna Akhoi Khangdaboni Khangde Mona Mi Singdu Sagi Suda Lariba Su Brown Tugaraga Tatrakwa the narco terrorist Meeyam Kulai Batik Chana Paraga Koi the Singapore Lanzi and Darakasi Akoi Manipur Meeyam Kanganaba Malangi Meeyam Kanganaba Haiduna Manipur Meeyamna Landaraiba Dugi Matakta Kuchula Lautoki Mamdi Zatraiba Lanse Mapan Degi Tulapa Kushemgi Lani Habu Kanganaba Zatrakuni Madu Kangala Pauda India Gamangi response Adi Manipur Mingi Bating Jedaba Sigma Mayam Singashi Lansi Sangdon Gavani, Sangdon Maki Maramju, Government of Indiana State Lang the Pigdaba, Mapangan Kudimok Lokogada, Tambudra Maram Orga, State Posting Boga, Hadi, Haiba, Hoki, Narco Terrorisi, Tengnabada, Madu order of Pida Mayama, Tengnakre, Aduna Maram Morgan, Puna, Lalasi, Tengan, Motok, Dare, Habidu, Nasi, Conchat, Tamzabis.